installing Windows Subsystem for Linux. Here I'm using PowerShell 7. Type in WSL -- install. This will install the default Ubuntu Linux. However, we will be replacing it with the latest Ubuntu. All the commands can be found on GitHub in the description below. You don't have to worry here as we will uninstall this version later. So now we're going to uninstall the default Ubuntu that comes with WSL. Type in WSL -- unregister Ubuntu. Next we install Ubuntu 26.04, which is the latest at this time. Here we list all the available versions we have. Now type in WSL -- install Ubuntu 26.04. It will ask you for a username and password. Next we need to change the default directory to point to home and then your username. Go into your new Ubuntu by typing WSL -d Ubuntu 26.04. You'll see that the path is actually the C drive. Type this command to edit the path that will automatically apply each time you log in. Hold down page down or go all the way to the end. Here I type cd/home/your username. Now if we log off and log back in, we should see that the path that automatically gets applied is the new path we just set. Like and subscribe if this helped you out. Thanks.